Hey, yo, what's good, everyone? Trade recap for you guys today. Um, Today was a really good day. I know there probably looks like there's a lot on my screen and everything, but yeah, we can hop into this. I took one trade today on the lives. This trade was I'll go over it as well, but it was just kind of like another opportunity. And now that I'm looking at it, because I hopped off like after here and then kind of got on again around here just to take a peek. Um, And yeah, I saw this, so I marked it out, but there was actually another setup that looked really good as well. So yeah, let's get into this. All right. So buys coming into the morning. Hold on. The bias was really honestly, I was just bullish. I mean, like obviously we filled that gap the other day, like the new week opening gap we filled. And then we got this 1 hour that's sitting above us. We have yesterday's highs sitting above us, and the displacement we were getting was really good. So I didn't really see a reason for us to not go any higher. So like a little scenario I'd open. I was saying, hold on, just gonna go to market open real quick. All right, so around here, so we had this intermediate low below us, and there were relative equal lows as well inside of this 15-minute gap. So what I was thinking, if we're gonna go lower, this is really the lowest point I'd want to go. And then if we start displacing below this, then you can do a bias change and just make yourself bullish. I mean bearish. Sorry. So yeah, if we go down here, I want to see a soup at these lows, and then I would continue to remain bullish until proven wrong again. You know, like I said, if we go displace lower than that, then chances are we're gonna go lower. Um, so yeah, for the first trade today, we also had 8:30 news, which I have marked out down here. And we actually, let's fast forward. So at open, we rip up. We took out that previous high, and keep in mind, previous day high is still in play. We come down here. We actually get a nice soup right there. And at this point, ES took. Let's see if I can see. Did it fuck me up? Well, ES took data lows, right? Which is also a 4 hour. And obviously the reversal model that I trade, I need to see us trade down into or up into a higher time frame for value gap, or just like a significant draw on liquidity. So in this case, data lows is also a 4 hour, so that's a very strong liquidity point. ES took it. We made a really big SMT. We formed this 1 minute and watch the displacement. Obviously, we wick down a little bit, but still, following my model and everything, I take this. Stop goes at the body close, and I'm just targeting previous day high, right? So now watch the delivery that we get. Like, see how we're kind of forming this V shape right here? That's what you want to see, and you'll see in a second how clean the delivery was. So ready, this is first candle. See how strong it is, and then second candle. That's where we go break even, and then we just rip up. But like that's that V shape that we look for off of when training our reversal model, right? So yeah, that was honestly the best delivery I've seen in a long time. Like we're done with that trade in not even 4 minutes. Um, so yeah, that was my live account trade for the day, and then we could play price forward a little bit. After that, like look at that close as well. We come all the way back down. This SMT was still in play. Did we sweep data lows? We didn't. But once again, like, I mean, this really isn't super high probability. But we have this 1 minute here. I think it's this trade that I'm thinking of. I don't even remember. At this point, I was off the charts, but we can kind of forward test it to see if it works. It's kind of like a PDI model. We can see if we want to take that high once again. So you'd enter in here. I got again obviously TP at the highs. Stop loss just at the bottom of that candle. And let's see. I think we reswing one more time. Yeah, right. My fault. So I was still off the charts at this point. We come down again. I think we actually take down. Yeah. So again, SMT's gone, but we did hit the 4 hour. And then we put in this 1 minute. This is the 1 minute. So at this point, it is a bearish fair value gap. So I'm just waiting now for a nice displacement move to close. And boom, we get that. Stop. You can do at the body low. We're seeing about 30 points. And just targeting that high again for around 60 points. So risk to reward here is still pretty okay. It's a 1 to 2, you know, so anything 1 to 1 or above for me is good. And then let's see what we do here. See now, I think at this point I would be break even. I think we come down again though. Yeah, so you would have got stopped out at break even if you went break even, but I mean ultimately we run those highs once again. And then really quick we can just go back here. We have this 5 minute here. This is for the continuation. We hit the 5 minute, right? Boom. And now we're coming up. All I need to see is a 1 minute inverse out of it. And we get in here. You can just put your stops, you know, down there for around 20 points. Because I'm not trying to risk a whole thing here. That's not even positive RR on the trade anyway. But yeah, this would have been probably the last best trade of the day. And then the break-even point's up there where I mentioned. And boom. Just like that. So yeah, these were definitely the 2 trades of the day. If this would have worked, if this 1 minute would have worked, if I didn't go break-even, then that definitely would have been contender with this first trade I took. But yeah, this was definitely the best trade of the day. And yeah, that's going to be a wrap for today. Good day. Good week as well. I passed 2 more Top Step accounts as well. So now max allo with them. I'll have to be cycling my accounts somewhat soon. I think 2 more payouts. Something like that. But yeah, if you want to learn how I trade, you know, learn the model, if you want to trade with me live, I'm going to put my Discord down below for you guys. You can check it out if you want. It's definitely a lot of value in there. And it's not for a expensive price either. It's very cheap compared to a lot of other traders, just because I like to give out my knowledge and help people out. You know, that's the main goal. So yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for today. Peace out. We'll see you boys possibly tomorrow. If not tomorrow, then Monday. I have an early ass dentist appointment, so I'm not sure if I'll be trading tomorrow. But if I do, then I'll see you. If I don't, then I will see you on Monday. Peace out.